Chapter 32. Eating Out. Our characters are the two ladies. They are spinsters. They have the well-paid job. They always spend much money on food. They are not only gluttons but also gourmets. Today is office holiday. They get an idea to eat out. They go to the restaurant. The waiter ushers them. They sit at the table. They read the menu. At that time, a beautiful waitress comes to them. "What would you like to order, madam?" The first lady ordered 3 courses. Second lady ordered 2 courses. The waitress brings one course after another. She puts them on the table. They start to eat, having a chat. 1 hour later, they finish their meal. The waiter comes to them and cleans the table. Just then, the waitress comes again. "What would you like to order for your dessert?" They order ice cream and coffee. The waitress brings them on the tray with the bill. They enjoy their dessert, having a chat. Some time later, their chat comes to an end. They go to the counter. They pay the bill. Finally, they leave some money on the table for the girl as a tip.